Hello everyone, I am the teacher to this question. Let me explain the question to you now. So the question says that without actual division, show that 11 is a factor of the following number and the number is 11 lakh 11. Now हमें इस क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है एक नंबर दैट इज 11 लाख 11 और हमें ये शो करना है कि 11 इसका फैक्टर है। तो चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम लिख लेते हैं हमें गिवन क्या है एक नंबर दैट इज 11 लाख 11 एंड हमें क्या शो करना है दैट 11 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 11 लाख 11. Now, to solve this question, first of all, let's recollect the divisibility by 11. So, the divisibility by 11 tells us or establishes that if the difference between the sum of digits at odd places and even places is 0, then the number will be divisible by 11. Now, the number that we are given over here, हमें यहाँ पे जो नंबर दिया हुआ है that is 11 लाख 11. तो हम क्या करेंगे कि 11 लाख 11 के लिए चेक कर लेंगे the difference between the sum of digits at odd places and the sum of digits at even places. तो चलिए for the number 11 lakh 11 देखते हैं. Now sum of digits जो इसका आएगा at odd places that will be equal to 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 which is equal to 2. Same, we are going to find the sum of digits at even places also. So that will be equal to 1 plus 0 plus 1 which is equal to 2. अब तो हम इन दोनों सम से क्या कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं that therefore the difference between the sums is equal to 2 minus 2 which is equal to 0. अब अगर ये डिफरेंस 0 है तो ये जो क्राइटेरिया है डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 11 का इसको सेटिस्फाई करता है. सो वी कैन से दैट therefore the number 11 lakh 11 is divisible by 11, or we can say that 11 is a factor of 11 lakh 11. So let's write down our final answer, that is we have established 11 is therefore 11 is a factor of 11 lakh 11, hence proved. Now I hope the explanation for this question is clear to you, क्योंकि हमने इस क्वेश्चन में क्या किया है कि हमने डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट लगाया है 11 का एंड हमने डिफरेंस लिया है ऑफ द sum of digits at even and odd places. क्योंकि उनका डिफरेंस 0 आया, that means it obeys or satisfies the condition of divisibility test of 11 and hence it means that it is divisible by 11, or rather 11 is a factor of the number. That's all the explanation for this question. Thank you.